Here are 20 ways to make a girl feel comfortable while talking to her. Approach her with a genuine smile and friendly demeanor. Start with light, casual conversation to ease into deeper topics. Pay attention to her body, language, and the gesture to make her feel at ease. Avoid invading her personal space and maintain a comfortable distance. Offer genuine compliments that are thoughtful and appropriate. Show interest in her interests, hobbies, and passions. Use active listening techniques, such as nodding and paraphrasing to show you're engaged. Be patient and give her time to express herself without feeling rushed. Share your own experiences and stories to create a sense of mutual openness. Be empathetic and validate her feelings, even if you don't necessarily agree. Avoid controversial or sensitive topics unless she brings them up first. Be mindful of your tone of voice and body language to convey warmth and sincerity. Maintain a positive and non-judgmental attitude throughout the conversation. Follow up on topics or conversations that are important to her, showing that you value her thoughts and feelings. Offer to listen without trying to fix or solve her problems, if that's what she needs.